please go and support. She's trying to build her YouTube channel. She had another channel which she's not earning from, even though she has nearly 10,000 subscribers. She came into some problem with YouTube, so she's trying to build again, but she's very helpful to other upcoming YouTubers, and yeah, we've become good friends. So please go over if you can and support Julie. We have a chat every now and again, like almost every evening. That's where you'll find me, on her live. And yeah, please guys, she's very committed and it would be very good. She has a cooking channel she's just started, and on her cooking channel, let me show you some of what she's doing. She is doing some cooking live. So she did a video recently